Hi everyone. In English this week we're going to begin thinking about a new piece of writing, and that writing's all based on the theme of water. Now we're not actually going to start the writing this week. It's all about planning, getting your imagination going and thinking of new ideas that you'll be able to use in your writing next week. And today we're going to start by creating a word bank that all the words that we could use to describe water. And what I have suggested that you do in the plan is actually get some water to start off with. Pour a glass of water, have a look at it, put a water droplet in the palm of your hand, think about how it feels, how it moves. Because what we're going to do is on the word bank, we're going to have 3 sections that we focus on. We're going to think of verbs that describe how water moves. We're going to use adjectives that describe what the water looks like or feels like as well. And then we're going to use imagery. So we're going to try and think of some similes and metaphors to describe the water. Now, what your word bank looks like is entirely up to you. I've got a couple of examples that I'm going to show you. So you might decide that you want yours to be like this one, quite creative, draw some pictures there, and you can add words into those 3 sections, verbs, adjectives, or imagery. Or you might decide you want it to be more mathematical, in a table. There we go. And I've given you an example in each of those columns. So an adjective that to describe water is that it was flowing. A verb is to ripple. Water can ripple. And the simile that I've used in the imagery column is the water reflected light like a mirror. Remember, if you're writing similes, that word like will appear or as will appear. Metaphors are when you are stating that water is something else. Now, I'm sure you've got lots of ideas of your own, but you've also got to drop in my drink, the text that we were using in book talk. Have a look at that again. That might give you some extra ideas that you could use. Also, if you've got internet access, have a look at an online thesaurus. Now, I have put a link on the planning for that as well. That will give you some ideas of synonyms. You might want to say that the water droplet is small. But small is not the most exciting of words that you could use, not the most descriptive. So if you have a look at the thesaurus and I put in small, it will give you synonyms, words that mean the same. And there might be one of those that you prefer to use or use in addition to small. Today, as I said, is only about creating words. We're going to use those later on when we start to look at our planning. So enjoy it, be as creative as you like, and we can't wait to see your final pieces of work. Take care, see you soon.